up, guys? This is Brad from the Old Souls. I'm here with the OldSols in my friend John's barn. But a lot of you guys have been here from like the very get-go. When I awkwardly made my first YouTube a video to my first Old Souls post that I had no idea where we were going with this. So I thought I would let you guys know like what's going on, because it's been a super weird, super crazy last couple weeks. I got my cocktail here because I need some of these now, but let's see. 2 weeks ago, I lost my job. So, out of the blue. My company was doing awful, and I was just sitting there at work, and they called me into the conference room. The HR lady was like, "You don't work here anymore." They walked me out, and that was it. I was there for 5.5 years, and yeah, I didn't have a job anymore. So I didn't really know what I was gonna do. No idea. Never thought I'd get fired, but here I am. I'm alive still. 2 weeks after all that happening, I think it's for the better. I'm cleaning portable toilets, which a lot of you are like, "What, you clean porta potties?" And yeah, I fucking clean porta potties now, and I love it. Like, I absolutely love being outside, talking to anyone who's out there just like working, construction workers, you know, you name it. All these guys are super awesome. We take pride in cleaning our toilets, and that's what I am now, and I'm not ashamed of it. So moral of that story is, like, don't be ashamed of anything that you do for a living, because I was an office worker for the last 9 years of my life, and I thought that was it. Like, that was going to be the coolest thing, and that's all that I knew, and it was like miserable. Like, I didn't want to be at this job, but I made a lot of money, and it was plenty of money, and I didn't need any of it. Like, once you don't have it and you don't have to worry about all that stuff, like, I don't know, it's just crazy. So this is super awkward for me. I don't usually like divulge this stuff. I don't tell anybody these kind of things, but I thought some of you guys deserve it. So just because you've rode through this with me forever, Kent and Chris with the Old Souls, you guys are like my family. You would do anything for me. I would do anything for you guys. My buddy John, who's this whole area, and this is his place, he let me have my Honda here. Without him, I wouldn't be able to do the things that I love with my Honda. I'd have to find somewhere else. It just wouldn't work out. So him letting me have this here is letting me let you guys into my life and what I love about Honda Del Sols and all that stuff. So super appreciative to that guy. Christian with Honda Vlogs, Kevin at LulzKev. Those two dudes I literally talk to almost 24 hours a day. Like, same goes for you guys, man. You guys just cheer me up all the time. We laugh like all the time, all day long, and it's something that I super cherish, and I never would have met you guys at all if it weren't for the Honda community. So super grateful to Laura and Jason in North Carolina. You guys are like my Old Souls family on the East Coast. So there's going to be awesome things to come from you guys, and this is getting really ranty and awkward, but a couple of the people that I wanted to give shout outs to. So I want to turn this negative note into a positive note, though. So over the last 2 weeks, I've really been able to hammer home the Old Souls website, which I'm happy to announce is live. So if you guys are watching this, you can head over to OldSols.com right now. It's just how it sounds, OldSols.com, and you'll see what we've got going there. It's kind of a skeleton work in progress kind of thing, but eventually it's going to be a forum, a resource for Del Sol only videos. Let's see, a shop for all of our Old Soul stuff, a community resource area where I'm going to have like charts and information and whatnot. Kev has been a huge help. I just kind of know how to make it look nice. He's helped me get the whole entire like forum up and running. Helped me through registering everything, getting it all set up, getting the layout in, and that guy, without him, OldSols.com would not happen at all. So huge props to you, man. I will drink to that every day. Thank everybody enough. I don't know what to say most of the time, so I just ramble, but this is kind of a weird vlog, but this is kind of where it's at. Here I am with the Honda. I'm going to keep sanding this guy, getting it ready for paint in the spring, and working hard on the inside here as well. I've got a lot of new videos. I'm trying to get shirts, hats, and some other things up on the shop site, hopefully the beginning of the new year, and trying to make this Old Souls community more worldwide. So here's to that, here's to the new year, and hope everyone has a happy holidays. Peace, guys.